Hello, taunus friends. Well, I searched the internet for seat belts. I will do this now in English because we are international, of course, and the Germans also want to understand what I'm saying. Maybe, don't know. Don't speak German very good. So I will show you how I did it, making seat belts in my taunus, in the front and in the back. So I will show you. These are the front seat belts. Well, this point there was a little knob. Pulled it out, there was you can put in a bolt, so that was easy. Then there I can show you on the tunnel I drilled 2 holes and put a big ring behind it, and yeah, then a bolt and a nut, and then screw it together. And here is a hard point here on the ground. I will show you under the car, hopefully. Ooh, there it is. There's a big hard point, so you can put it there. This is the whole car, by the way. The P7 for taunus 1700, and the seat belts behind. I just drilled a hole there, just under the seat, and there all kind of little round things in the metal there. I also bored 2 holes there, and yeah, then you can install it with big bolts, 8 millimeters, and then you have seat belts. Could nothing find on the internet about that, but they work. As you and of course can up, and you see how that works. Well, that is the video. Hope you got something learned from this, and maybe see you next time in the next video of something, because we got more cars, Hondas and Mustangs and that kind of stuff. So okay, bye bye.